Hi friends, in this video we will talk about top 10 benefits of probiotic foods. Did you know there are trillions of microbes that exist inside your intestines? There are roughly 40 trillion bacterial cells in your body, but you had only 30 trillion cells within. This means we are more bacteria than human beings. What? There are up to 10,000 species of bacteria in the human gut. Each of them plays a critical role within your body. Most of them are extremely important to maintain your health. Meantime, others may cause disease. If you weigh all your microbes within your human body, it weighs as much as 1 to 2 kg, which is roughly the weight of your brain. Let's dive into the content. What's exactly the meaning of probiotics? Probiotics are live microorganisms that help to prevent illness and promote health. Usually, probiotics are beneficial bacteria living in our body, especially in the digestive system. Studies claim that having the right amount of beneficial bacteria within the body might give numerous benefits. You can take probiotics either through probiotic foods or through supplements. In most cases, I would suggest you to improve by taking fermented probiotic foods, which I will cover later in this video. If you are planning to take probiotic supplements, do consult with your physician to determine its suitability with current health status. The prime benefit of consuming probiotic food is improved digestion. Since the gut primarily involves digestion and extraction of energy from the food, maintaining the right amount of probiotics will help you to optimize digestive system, and this will help you to prevent other digestive related disorders like constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, etc. As like optimizing digestion, consuming probiotics also helps in diminishing other digestive side effects like excess gas and bloating. Another benefit of consuming probiotic foods is reducing the cholesterol level. Having excess cholesterol in the body prevents the movement of oxygen through blood, especially to the heart and brain. Excess cholesterol level is extremely dangerous, and in many cases it contributes to heart attack. The study conducted by the researchers identified the reduction of total cholesterol by 4% and reduction of bad cholesterol by 5% after consuming the probiotic yogurts for 2 to 8 weeks. Consuming probiotic foods are proven to be improving the immune system. Studies reveal that the consumption of probiotic foods during pregnancy benefits even the unborn child. The probiotic foods facilitate the production of natural antibodies, and they also boost immune cells like T lymphocytes and natural killer cells. A study conducted to test the benefit of consuming probiotics identified the reduced likelihood and duration of respiratory infections. Have you ever had a friend suffering from excess weight or obesity? Probably it could be caused by poor gut health. Obesity is not solely caused by a poor gut, but there are some studies which claim the relationship between obesity and poor gut health. Probiotics often support weight loss. A study conducted by providing probiotic foods to expectant mothers before 4 weeks from giving a birth. It is identified that those who took probiotics less likely to have children with excess weight gain in the first 2 years of life. It's important to keep 30 trillion cells within your body health. Cell health is important for survival. There are almost 200 types of cells that exist within the human body, and each type of cell has its unique shape, structure, and functions. This includes transmission of signals to the brain, fighting infections, and more. There is no one probiotic found to be supporting all these 30 trillion cells functions. However, studies claim that probiotics are boosting the cell health within our body by producing the hydrogen peroxide, which is vital. Consuming antibiotics for a long period may cause an impact on the quantity of beneficial bacteria within the digestive system. In many cases, the people consuming antibiotics may experience antibiotics-related diarrhea. A study identified the consumption of probiotics reduced the risk of diarrhea by 57% in children and 26% in adults. Have you ever found a man who is constantly being into depression or anxious all the time? Probably his gut might have insufficient beneficial bacteria. What? Gut health and mental health is not separated? Many studies revealed the importance of gut health in maintaining mood. A research identified that the consumption of probiotic foods reduces the significant amount of depression, anxiety, loss of memory, and other mental disorders. The good news is that the probiotic foods are found to be minimizing certain forms of allergies and eczema. A study found expected mothers who took probiotic foods during pregnancy, their children had 83% lower risk of developing eczema in the first 2 years of life, which is absolutely good news. Certain probiotic strains are proven to be improving your heart health by reducing the bad cholesterol and by lowering the blood pressure. Probiotics are not only for adults. In many cases, the physicians were recommending the consumption of probiotic foods to infants. The studies claimed that the provision of probiotic foods to children have numerous benefits including healthy digestion, improved immune, etc. So, what are the probiotic foods that you can prepare and consume at home? Yogurt, a dairy product which is made up of fermented milk. Sauerkraut, raw cabbage which is fermented by lactic acid bacteria with salt, widely used in China and Europe countries. Kimchi, which is similar to sauerkraut, made up of fermented cabbage, Korean traditional spicy dish which is you might really love. Kefir, similar to yogurt, which is made up of fermented milk. Kombucha, fermented slightly alcoholic sweetened black or green tea that is proven to have a wide range of health benefits. Miso, fermented paste made from barley, rice or soya beans and others. Natto, Japanese dish made up of fermented soybeans. If you have any comments or feedback about this video, please leave in the comment section. Hope you all like this video. Share this video to your friends and do subscribe for more videos.